If you're wondering if you can charge your Apple Watch when you're out and about and it's run out of juice, then unfortunately you won't be able to charge it wirelessly from phones, including an Apple phone. You can't even charge it from things like a MagSafe charger. It will only work with devices designed to work with the Apple Watch. For example, it's going to work when you buy the official Apple Watch charger here. You can see it's charging. But if I try to put it onto a MagSafe charger, it doesn't matter where I put it, it's not going to work. Or wireless charging from a phone, again, it's not going to work. So if you're out and about and you're out of juice, unfortunately, you're going to be out of luck unless you can get to a product that's designed to charge Apple Watches and Apple Watches only. Now, if you were to carry this lead with you, then you can use other USB-C ports on, for example, a power bank or a phone like this Samsung phone you can charge it from, or an Apple phone with a USB-C port. Then you will see that it will work. It just means you have to carry the lead with you. So you can see it charging there. And also if I plug it into the Samsung phone here, you will see that it will also charge. There we go. But in reality, are you going to carry that around with you? Highly unlikely. But if you knew you were going somewhere for a while and you were going to run out of charge on your watch, at least you have the option to charge it up from other USB-C devices. Thanks for watching.